article will be read and will be cited more. That's not true.
But
because you publish in an impact.
There's a correlation. And
no, there isn't actually. So there isn't. If you talk to the editor, the editor of Nature, for example, a while back, said that about 5% of articles contribute to about 80% of the impact factor.
Yeah.
So, and actually most scientists wish is to be the lowest cited paper in a journal, because then you've won the game. And that's really not. That's what I'm coming back to, this quote that I put up, which is that people are trying to play, everyone's trying to play the game around it. We're just trying to say, actually, read our work for what it is. People might actually have to read the papers. That's what it comes back to, which is kind of a bit scary, I think, for some people.
Yeah, so I had a very brief question. So I slightly worry about the notion of reading time as a measurement of quality, because generally speaking, the papers that I spend longest reading are the really badly written ones. But one of the differences between the music industry and science is that in the music industry you've got a bunch of people listening and you've got a bunch of people making the music, and largely they're disjoint, and that's not true with science. So as soon as my funding depends upon some real-time statistics, I mean, I'm going to have a bot up there in 5 minutes, right? In the same way that we all started doing massive self-citation until somebody worked out that we weren't going to allow self-citation. And all of the metrics that you've spoken about are very, very open to this kind of malarkey of fiddling the statistics by the people whose income depends on it. At the moment, they're very good metrics because they don't. Right? Our income doesn't depend on it, so they're actually quite useful. But if they were used in that sense.
Yeah, I think at the moment the metrics that are used, of course, people's incomes depend on it, and I don't think it's a secret